kod jolony koting'o jopuonj mag mbalariany oparo Ogot kaka jasomo mane okelo lokruok mathoth e pacho ka. Gikoni ngire Ogot en jal mane ochiwore ne ngimane duto e neno ni tach somo rieny e miere mang'eny ma pacho ka. Ngire Bethwel Ogot nong'ielo rengo tarik 30 dwe mar achiel higani ka en jahigni 95.
We've actually saying kwaheri to an institution. I cannot think of a greater historian, not just in our country, but in our region. I also caught up with him vaguely, I think in 1991, when he became the president of the General Assembly of UNESCO. He served with such distinction that was the face of this country.
We take pride and solace in these monumental achievements that will continue to impact many generations after him. It is my honor to extend my deepest sympathy to the family of the Ogots, who are my friends, and the people of Game, to continue pray that God grants them the much needed strength at this moment.
I stood here to start to tell the little time I had with Professor, almost every year. It's incredible because there was always a new story. Professor, it was scary that at 94 he could remember exactly what he was doing in Juba in the 1950s, around 54. And he would tell me, Tom, do you have time? It's just time that we never had.
Sirikal kaachiel gi riwruoge ma ok mag piny owacho oyango chwalo paro mar chik mageto chiwo chudo, bero lwasi kaachiel kod duoko nyadhi ne tije michiwo kod jok mamine pacho ka kaachiel kod chiwo arita ne jotuo. Paro no yango keto ratiro